Good morning, friends. So now I'm going to give soul guidance for the next week, and it would be done with a three card spread with three main questions, and it's a collective reading. So take what resonates, and if it doesn't, you can just leave it because cards represent a collective energy. So we read a collective energy. And I'm going to do it by three questions. That is, what are the main issues of life you may be facing? What do my spirit guides and angels have to say? And what is their advice for me, from my spirit guides and angels? How can I connect with them in a better way? So this is a guidance for the week. Take it as it resonates with you. So let me shuffle the cards first. Shuffle the cards, and I'm going to do it's a three card spread, right? And it gives you a brief whole reading. If whatever card comes by choice, is going to give you a whole reading, right? As far as your relationship, career, how you should move. So the three card spread gives you a whole reading. Let me spread the cards. Yeah. So the first question that I'm putting up is the main issues of my life. Now let me take out a card. The first card is the Page of Pentacles. And to the second, that what do my spirit guides have to say? The second card is the Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords. And then, how can I connect with my spirit guides in a better way? How can I connect so that my issues are solved? I'm able to do what I want to do. The third card is the Devil. Never be scared of the Devil. He's a wonderful person. He tells you what not to do. Tells you to improve your shadow sides. Okay. So now we're going to read whatever the first card spread tells us. That is the Page of Pentacles. Pages are always, when you talk of the Pentacles is the earth energy, the earthy energy. And you're connected with earthly matter, that it can be money, it can be business, it can be education, career, right? Property. So when the page, this energy comes, it's going to give you a nice solid start, right? Laying the foundation. Earth mein kya hota? You lay the basic foundation. So you'll be laying the foundation. And it's a great card for loyalty, faithfulness between you and your partner, if it is a relationship. Great card for. So earth element will always represent loyalty. The Taurus element, the Capricorn element, right? Pentacles are associated with starting of something new, something creativity. You may start paying attention to your fitness, to your health problems, and you need to put in efforts. That is what the Pentacles say. You need to put in efforts. And staying with nature can be helpful. Staying with nature. If you want to go for hiking, you want to go towards the mountains, it can be helpful. So, the main issues are that you have to, whatever the main issues are, is that you have to be in the page energy of Pentacles, earthly energy, with nature, right? That's it. Now, what do my spirit guides have to say? We have this card which is called the Knight of Swords. So this Knight of Swords, you can see he's running. इतने fast चल रहा है वो Knight, इतनी तेज चल रहा है. Swords always represent intelligence, right? And the Knight is running so fast. You can see the इतनी घोड़ा इतनी तेज दौड़ रहा है कि विंड से पेड़ बिल्कुल इस तरफ झुक रहे हैं. So this is a card of a coming change, a change which may come very soon. This is a card of a coming change which may come very, very soon. A card of being when these Knight of Swords are people who have the energy of being more assertive, being honest, quick-witted, right? Daring, dashing, brave, courageous. So Knight of Swords, swords की जो energy होती है Knight की, it represents the energy between 25 to 35. So it's an energy where it represents you being assertive, you being direct, you being honest, right? Quick and brave, courageous, and of course swords represent intelligence. So he whatever he says it in a direct manner, right? He may be at times, he may appear to be insensitive. So, but this is the energy as far as the Knight of Swords are concerned. Love and relationship there may be a change. You have been waiting for this change for a very long time. So, you may even get a deeper commitment from your partner. You may get a marriage proposal, or it can be a romantic proposal, but the commitment will be deeper, right? It can represent departure as well. You may have to struggle, fight at times. एक दूसरे को एक साथ रखने के लिए कभी कभी बहुत कोशिश भी करनी पड़ सकती है. So this is what the Knight of Swords represent. It also indicates you may meet someone with qualities outlined of the Knight of Swords. That qualities of being dashive, assertive, right? Being direct, being honest, right? Quick-witted, taking action in a manner. So that sometimes people may feel that they are insensitive. बहुत खड़े मुंह बोल सकते हैं, right? The third card is that how can I connect with my spirit guides? So we got this card that is of the devil. The devil. Now, in general, the devil signifies your shadow sorts, right? It can be addictions, it can be anything. So it is also a sign of कभी भी ये कार्ड आए तो लगता है कि किसी सिचुएशन में, किसी कंडीशन में हम ट्रैप से हो गए, हम रिस्ट्रिक्टेड हो रहे हैं, राइट? और ये रिस्ट्रिक्शन और ये ट्रैप इट कैन बी ड्यू टू आउटसाइड इन्फ्लुएंसेस, औरों की वजह से, दूसरों की वजह से हम एक स्थिति में बिल्कुल बंद से गए, स्ट्रैप से हो गए, निकलने का कोई ज़रिया नहीं लग रहा है, राइट? एंड यू फील पावरलेस. You feel powerless and you feel victimized. But आपके जो गाइड्स हैं वो ये कह रहे हैं कि ये सिर्फ एक इल्यूजन होता है. सारा कंट्रोल आपके अंदर है, आपकी डेस्टिनी का कंट्रोल आपके अंदर है, राइट? एंड अगर आप अपने को खुद ही बाइंड ना करें, खुद खोलें सारी चेन्स. डेविल हैज़ गॉट सो मेनी चेन्स. सो डोंट गिव अप, अनचेन योरसेल्फ, राइट? And realize your power. That is it. That is what the angel guides are saying, that you realize your power. That is what your power is. You realize your power. You don't have to be, कोई स्थिति में सबको टॉलरेट करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. नेगेटिविटी में रहना ज़रूरी नहीं है. क्रिटिसिज्म, मैनिपुलेशन और ऐसे लोगों के साथ जो अब्यूज़ करते हैं, जो क्रिटिसाइज़ करते हैं, जो मैनिपुलेट करते हैं, जो आपके पीठ पे छुरा भोगते हैं, उन कंडीशंस में रहना ज़रूरी नहीं है. आप खुद उसमें से अपने को निकालिए. Always, there are always options and there is always something positive you can do to improve your situation. no matter how hopeless things may be, but you can always, there's something always by which you can improve your situation. द डेविल जो आज जब भी आता है ये कार्ड, ये भी सिग्निफाई करता है मटीरियलिज्म, ये मटीरियलिज्म को भी सिग्निफाई करता है. सो इट मे शो दैट यू मे बी ओवरली कंसर्न्ड, किसी स्टेटस की वजह से, किसी पावर की वजह से, किसी मटेरियल गेन की वजह से आप छोड़ ही नहीं जा पा रहे हैं बंधन को, आप छोड़ ही नहीं पा रहे उस सिचुएशन को. सो दे आर नॉट necessary. You have to unchain yourself, come out of the situation yourself, be courageous enough to come out of the situation yourself. And if ever you feel trapped, you can evaluate, you can always do something that grow towards positivity so that you don't feel trapped in such a situation. So this is the guidance your angels are giving you कि निकलिए. अगर आपको ऐसे कुछ भी सोच हो सकती है, किसी की एनवायरनमेंट हो सकता है, कोई बंधा हो सकता है किसी भी चीज़ से, किसी रिश्ते से जिसमें वो खुश नहीं है, राइट. सो डेवल हमेशा इंडिकेट करता है, कभी कभी ऐसी कंडीशंस होती कि इट कैन ऑल्सो इंडिकेट दैट आपके कुलीग्स करियर में, अगर करियर कंटेक्स्ट में देखेंगे तो कुछ ऐसे कुलीग्स हों जो कि आपको पीछे से वार करें और डिसेप्टिव हो और आपके करियर को सैबोटेज करने की कोशिश करें. सो दिस इज़ द गाइडेंस फॉर द वीक दैट आप पेज ऑफ पेंटिकल्स की एनर्जी में रहिए, राइट, और नाइट ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स के एक्शन में रहिए. और अगर आप डेविल की एनर्जी में हैं, जो कि इंडिकेट करता है आप किसी वजह से बंध रहे हैं, कोई थॉट प्रोसेस की वजह से, कोई इंटॉक्सिकेशन, एडिक्शन, राइट, किसी वजह से जो आप बंध रहे हैं उसमें से आप खुद ही निकल सकते हैं, आपको खुद ही निकलना है. थैंक यू. दैट वाज द वीकली 3 spread guidance. Meet you next week.